The 2003 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, dual airbags, four-wheel ABS, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, rear defrost, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, fog lights, leather, daytime running lamps, rear AC, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.